Alright, what is up everyone? And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a watch list on E-Trade. This video helps you guys out. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but please do not subscribe to me. What we're going to do is we are going to be on our main E-Trade page here. And what we want to do is we want to go from the main menu all the way over to watch lists here. We're going to click watch lists, and here is my YouTube example watch list. I can see here that I'm just watching the SPY. So if I want to remove a stock from my watch list, all I want to do is I can just click the individual stock and then click delete, and that will remove the single stock from my watch list. Let's just say I have two stocks. Let me just add DKILF. I don't even know what the stock is, but now I have two stocks on my watch list. I can delete the whole watch list by just clicking the top left and clicking delete just like this. And now my watch list is gone. So I hope this video helped you guys out on how to delete your watch list or how to stop watching stocks on ESPN from Morgan Stanley. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm. Do not subscribe to me and have a great day.